Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Leo tunajifunza jinsi ya kupaka lipstick kwenye picha yako. First of all, leta picha yako kwenye Photoshop, zoom in, select a brush, chagua rangi yote ya lipstick unayotaka, then create a new layer. After that, punguza brush lako, make sure the brush hardness ni total 0, then anza kupaka kwenye lipstick slowly. After that, select the layer, make it multiply or darken, then double click the layer ili uende kwenye blending option. Kwenye blending, select weka red, alafu underline layer, take it slightly up mpaka uone inaanza kudestroy hapo, then hold alt, then press ili usitenganishe, take it away ya kulia iwe mbali somewhere ili upate some shiny kwenye lips yako. Take it down there mpaka utaporidhika. For me that's fine. Yeah. After that kuna sehemu zilizozidi like this, so create a layer mask, take a brush, blackly nafuta white napaka. So what you want to delete sehemu ambazo zilikuwa zimezidi slightly like this, slowly it is blending vizuri. After that, there you have it guys. Note that anytime unaweza take the opacity up or down ili ufanikishe kupata the result unataka wewe. Ukitaka kubadilisha the lipstick color, don't worry, go to adjustment layer, click hue saturation and clip layer kwenye layer yako ya lipstick, then you can simply change the color of lipstick anytime you want. That's it guys, hope you like my video. If you like, please leave a like, comment my video, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe for more content. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.